This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
She had those alcoholic. What the? It's like, what are you doing? It was hot. You know, she's like, oh, it's got vodka. I was like, oh, really? She's like, oh, yeah, I've had 3.
Dude,
like,
what
right.
the?
Oh, yeah. Oh, God. I mean, there, I had to turn my eye. I can't. This is too much for me. 6421 Rock. Steve, who is our first contestant, ready to play the big game. Hello, Kim. Welcome to the men's room. Hey, Joey.
Flip out on them. Dude, this is a $150,000 car.
Bro, did you just hit my car?
Did he?
I'm going to speed limit, buddy.
This is a $150,000 car. I wonder what you should say. You should spend
Not your best. Clearly mini material. Harvestella, delightfully mini. Sometimes you see a game and you're like, oh no, they spent too much money on this. There's no way this makes its money back, that they went over budget on this. And then also sometimes you can clearly see they didn't give it enough. Oh, their ambitions were too high for the time and money they were given for this. Harvestella is Baby Bear's porridge. Square Enix seemingly spent the perfect amount of budget on this farming, crafting RPG. And I hope you at home now have an understanding of what mini entails.
the next left on the Post Creek Road.
Oh, hello.
Hey, are you ready to start?
I am. This time, I'll do better. I can't believe my eyes.
Concentrate on the road, please.
But my favorite store is having a sale. Ah!
Wait. Oh no, we're doomed.
Give me a second.
You can't just leave the car. Oh!
Oops, I can't?
I don't get paid enough. Never will you ever get a driver's license. Huh? Oh!
Uh-oh. I'd better hide inside.
Advanced types of semiconductors without the Dutch. Specifically, you need one Dutch company called ESM. This company has developed pretty mind-bending technology.
Jesus!
Hell. I just don't know. I mean, putting it.
What happened?
Someone crashed.
That could have been us.
Just go. Just go.
Why did they crash? I didn't cause it, right?
I don't think so.
I was turning right.
You were turning right.
Name another monster catching game out right now. Temtem. Temtem. See, Digimon's kind of dead. Temtem is completely dead. They apparently recently with microtransactions and no one.
That you're superior over me, just to be like, oh, I have a gun and you don't, like you still want to fight. And then I'm like, well, obviously, no, I don't want to fight because if you're about to shoot me over me honking my horn, then like, no. But you know, it was like a weird, because I was peed off, but also it was like a gun and you don't, like you still want to fight. And then I'm like, well, obviously, no, I don't want to fight because if you're about to shoot me over me honking my horn, then like, no. But you know, it was like a weird, because I was peed off, but also it was like a gender thing at that point too. Like he's trying to assert his dominance over me, basically. Be like,
All caught on camera. Jesus Christ. What? Oh my God.
Electrician killed in Las Vegas.
Christ, dude. Well, here I go. Get out of here.
Yaptı. Bu işte. Pekala. Ben Cedric diyeceğim.
Evet, şüphelendiğim gibi Cedric. Evet Gary. Cedric için yanıyorsun.
Gary'nin Cedric diyeceğine emindim ama ben Gary diyemem. Başta beni yazmadın çünkü. Şimdi defol. Sanırım stratejik olarak...
Over or I didn't know what I was gonna do. Oh God, that's bad. Oh God, I did not see what happened. Did you see what happened?
Yeah, it hit that car.
Who hit who?
Do you see that white car?
I know I saw the white car hit the other car, but then what happened?
It like made a big weird noise.
Are you okay? Stay here. Stay here.
Oh, damn.
And then he just working for Chipotle to. There you go. Well, you're welcome anytime.
Really? Okay, do you have...
1978, Jane lived in her own apartment and worked as a burger chef full-time, driving a white 1974 Chevrolet Vega.
Oh, this guy's gonna go too. You're gonna get hit.
Jesus Christ.
That red guy shouldn't be going. Look at his marks.
Shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap.
So at this point, that's what the information they're working with. This is still remains a very active scene. They have to shelter in place. So all these folks who live in these buildings right here, most of them have not been able to come out since this has happened because they're not even letting cars leave some of these parking garages.
On his way home. Good.
What the was that all about?
Good Lord.
Are you all right?
I am.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
What's that all about? Hey! 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 Get your phone.
Opened my eyes, it was still there. I mean, again, probably all in my head, but still, it was one of the, it is the scariest thing that I've ever experienced in my entire life. I don't know what the hell was going on. It was an old building. They tore down.
Were you wildly aroused?
Jesus.
Well, I mean,
It could have been the night, man.
yeah.
It could have been the
Sounds
night.
like the night.
Because
Yeah.
there's a Ghostbusters situation there with Dan Aykroyd sleeping, all of a sudden Ghost hovers over him, then suddenly his pants unbuckle. I was watching that with my son when he was much too young to, well, he's still too young. And we get to that scene, he goes, Daddy, what's happening?
Yeah.
Oh. Jesus.
And, following the 98 trap ban, they started experimenting with cage traps and cage traps that they could somehow...